If you get these annoying errors from your Blink cameras directly to your phone, and the errors look like home schedule disarm failed, home schedule arm failed, now I'll guide you on how to disable them. So follow these instructions very carefully. Now, is motion detection disabled on one of the cameras in your system? If so, the system will always show a failed message because it can't change the state of any camera with motion detection turned off. Now, this is a false error. Now, you can turn motion detection on for each camera if you don't want to get this notification. Now, to do so, on the camera menu settings of the Blink app, just select this icon here, then go to motion settings, then select motion detection. You can either turn it on or off. Also, if one of the cameras in your system is unresponsive and fails to arm, you'll still receive the error message, even though the rest of the cameras are actually armed. For example, if you have 5 cameras and one is offline, you'll get the error, but the other 4 will function normally. Another thing you need to do is make sure the Blink app is updated to the latest version. So this is based on how to fix these errors, which say home schedule disarm failed or home schedule arm failed. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully and you'll be able to resolve this problem.